right, let's do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, and less anxious. And it just might change your life. Take a deep breath in and out. I'm so glad that you're here. Right here, we're going to be releasing grief, sadness, disappointment, heartbreak, those kind of feelings. Good. What we're doing is we're helping to release these emotions, and that will help the flow of energy throughout our body, so we have more energy, more clarity, and we feel lighter. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the top of the head. We want the exhale to be longer than the inhale. Good. Right here, we're releasing looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Sometimes I say we want to smell the roses and blow out the candles. It's a great way to talk to kids about it, about trying to control their breathing, help them reset their nervous system. So right here, we're working on the inner eyebrow. This is about anger and frustration, and we're releasing those emotions. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You might feel your tailbone untucking. You might feel some energy traveling down the backs of your legs. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Right here, we're releasing anger and frustration again. Good. Let's go under the eye. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Right here, we're releasing control. So when we seek control about things that we can't control, it makes us anxious. So we're letting that go. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we feel the energy traveling down our spine and down our legs and our feet start tingling, that's a good sign that you're getting back into your body and you're realigning to be in the parasympathetic nervous system. So most of the time we're in fight or flight, and especially when we experience trauma or overwhelm, we tend to check out. So if we are scrolling, doom scrolling essentially, or using substances to check out, we might want to just tap right here, and this will help bring the mind and the body back together, and then we can start processing what we're feeling. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So I say that this technique helps change people's lives because it truly does. If you look at any of the comments on my videos, you can see how people are sleeping better, they're less anxious, they're feeling more grounded and more like themselves, they're more present and calmer. So this is really helping people to get their lives back, and that's incredible. And it's just a simple technique to calm down. Right here, we're releasing where we haven't spoken our truth to ourselves or others. Good. I feel my shoulders relaxing. I feel my jaw relaxing, my throat, even my chest is opening up. These are all signs that you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. Good. We're going right underneath the collarbone. Good. This is where we're releasing energy and information around fear. Good. Feeling my tailbone untucking again. Good. When I say that, it means just that the muscles are sort of relaxing around my tailbone. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Animals in the wild, when they are in fight or flight, they will either run or they'll curl up into a ball and protect their organs, and that's where the tail tucking under happens. They are trying to keep their whole body safe. So when we are in fight or flight, we actually contract our energy field and we actually start tucking in. Our neck will go forward to protect our chest and our body, and we'll start to cave in. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This technique helps us to open our body up, our chest up, untuck our tail, and so we become a better version of ourselves because we're not so contracted. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. In the center of the chest, when we're tapping, we're offering ourselves forgiveness and love and compassion. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And on the sides here, we are helping to release on the right, anger, and on the left, worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel my shoulders relaxing. This feels good. Okay, that was one round of tapping, and I feel a yawn coming on. You might be yawning a lot. When you first start tapping, you experience a lot of shifts in your energy, unless you've been really stressed, and then it takes some time. But you might be experiencing a lot of yawning, some tears rolling down your face, and a lot of burping. A lot of digestion happens because this helps us to rest, digest, and heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Go to the top of the head. Awesome. So you can do this in the morning and the evening. You can tap for longer than 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be just as long as this video. You can keep going. The more that you tap and you talk about your feelings, the greater your transformation will be. So if you know what you're going through, definitely tap and talk about it. But right now, we're just doing a gentle nervous system reset. The tapping helps to calm the body, helps to move the energy that is related to emotions that are stuck in the meridians. And we actually retrain the brain to be in a different state. So pretty soon, a lot of you who've been tapping with me for about 6 months will find that you can just start tapping, and almost immediately you'll start to get the resets because your brain has been trained that when you start to do this, you start to relax. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. I feel a little yawn coming on. When we yawn, we're telling our body that we're safe. We're taking in some more oxygen. So a lot of us who are in fight or flight don't breathe enough. We have very shallow breathing. We're not getting enough oxygen. So when we take that big deep breath in through our nose and out our mouth, we're signaling safety. Center of the chest. Good. This one is not in traditional tapping, which is EFT, which stands for Emotional Freedom Technique, because it helps you feel free. This is something that I like to include because it helps to pump the lymph throughout the body, which helps with detoxification and moving emotions and things like that. But also it offers us some love and compassion, helps us to feel like we're coming back home to ourselves, giving us a little bit of a hug. It's very, very beneficial. Let's go to the outside of the body. Sometimes these points might be sore. In fact, on the right side, it's a little sore for me. That just means that you are holding on to either some lymph there, it's stuck, or you have some excess emotions. If you tap, it'll go away. Usually it stops being so sore. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. All right, we've been tapping for almost 9 minutes. Goes by really fast. Good. We're gonna take our hands, we're gonna place them over our heart. And this is gonna help to release oxytocin, relax our body even further, give us a hug. We need 8 hugs a day to thrive. And this is just another way that we can offer ourselves what we need. All right, I love you. Keep tapping. You're doing great.